Hello? We are on Coho, which is the name of this bus. All right, guys, you ready for a good day? Fucking 3-day expedition. We're gonna do it.
Kenny was like, I can't drive the bus.
Oh, shit, what the fuck? Ooh, nice shirt.
Thank you.
Doing some downward dog, or is that Grace the Sun? Look at all these sexy guys doing yoga, damn. So Shep's actually using his drone here. So that's kind of what I'm doing right now, is just kind of coasting over these rocks. There's probably some sharks. It's deep, bro. All right, that was fucking awesome. Waterfall! Yes! Ha! There we go. Pre-fall, so Verde Falls is up here. We're kind of just like scouting the area to make sure that we can get through with all the kayaks, you know what I mean? Jolly old good time. Whoo! Look at these falls, boy. Oh my God, it is very deep and very cold right here. Thanks, guys. We're gonna continue the trip. 5 miles in, 4 miles to go. Whoa! Racing. Oh my God, he's headed right.